Tonight I am going to show you a recipe with our featured roast of the day, and that is our White Russian. If you haven't had this one before, this is an awesome one to have. Even if you don't spice it up and make it a cocktail, you can have it just as is. It's still just as delicious. But for this purpose, we are going to go ahead and make a traditional White Russian cocktail with our White Russian LifeBoost coffee beans. So what I did is I went ahead and I cold brewed some of our White Russian. If you don't want to cold brew it, that's fine. You can use your regular brewed coffee and just allow that to cool, and you can use it in this recipe as well. And then I have some homemade Kahlua here. If you are unaware of how to make that yourself, we do have a recipe for that in our ebook. I'll post a link for that as well so that you know how to make your own homemade Kahlua, because this is handy in a lot of our coffee cocktail recipes that we have. You're also going to need a milk choice. My go-to is almost always an unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I love it, love it, love it. And some vodka. Of course, you're going to need a glass of ice in it for this. And all you're going to do is combine equal parts of each one. So I already have 1.5 ounces of vodka here. Then you're going to need 1.5 ounces of your cold brew, 1.5 ounces of our Kahlua here, and once you have all that in there, you're going to give it a little mix, and then you're going to top it off with your milk choice. Again, I chose unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You can choose whatever you like. You can put heavy cream up on there, whatever your choice is. And you're simply going to just add this on top, okay? Easy enough, okay? Equal parts of each ingredient. All you need is your cold brew, your Kahlua, your vodka, your milk choice, equal parts of each. I chose to do 1.5 ounces of each. Mix, and boom, there's your drink. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you try this out, let us know what you think. Have a great day.